Are you already tired of hearing the words new design trend? It can make us feel like we instantly need to start over each year. Well, take a breath because you don't. I know I'm not. Stay tuned as we go over how you can embrace this year's interior design trends without starting over. Hi, welcome and welcome back. I'm Chauncey, lead creative at SFL Interiors and Redesign. And today I want to talk to you about how you can transition your home from last year's feelings of cozy and calm to this year's embrace of confident and bold design. And no, this doesn't mean a full renovation, repainting your entire house, or even having to feel overwhelmed. Instead, we're going to discuss the easiest ways to blend the two design styles so you can refresh your home with confidence and ease. Think about it. Last year, we all saw it, whether it was in our own spaces or online. Everyone was embracing warm woods and spaces that really made us feel grounded. We saw more minimalistic looks in everything from cabinetry to furniture design. It was really giving that less is more feeling that everybody was looking for. I mean, how many times did you hear the words quiet luxury last year? This year, brown is still on the menu, but think even richer. Dark browns like chocolate, espresso, and caramel, and they really pair well with any earthy tones you embraced in your space last year. But this year, you can take your design up a notch by incorporating colors like olive green and burgundy. And those colors still allow you to embrace any of those natural elements you brought in last year. And if those colors really don't quite hit the mark for you this year, think about pairing some of these warm browns for 2026 with blues. You could pair them with anything from cool blues to more moody tones. When you pair cool blues with the warm, rich browns like espresso, it really does add a balance of embracing all of this year's design trends because it's bold without feeling too heavy. Another big element of embracing bold design this year is lighting. It's definitely going to be a focal point in all the pictures you see in everyone's space this year. And it's not just about big and bold. This year, the focus really is on shape. Think wavy, loose, inorganic, organic. Lighting this year really should stand out as the art piece in your room. So before you buy that perfect new lighting piece that you fell in love with, keep in mind where you're going to place it in the room and how it'll fit into the overall space. You definitely don't want to do too much because your room will definitely scream, something's not quite right here. I know I fell in love with a new flush mount light. And one of the dilemmas is I want to put it in a room that's actually 3 spaces connected in an open floor plan. And yeah, you could put up multiple light fixtures, but it really would start to overwhelm the space and the scale would really be off. So at this point, I'm just considering using it in the entranceway as a statement piece for everyone that walks into the home. And then complementing the other rooms in the open floor plan with complementary lighting pieces that are less quiet but still speak to the same design elements in the entryway lighting. Another high point of this year's design trends are shine is back. That's right, high gloss can be seen everywhere. Whereas the last few years, you've seen a lot of talk about lacquered brass, and it's beautiful. It ages well, and the patina really adds a sense of elevation and sophistication to any space. But this year, the embrace of chrome and stainless steel is definitely here. I first can't wait to use it this year. And you don't have to limit your shine, no pun intended, to just stainless steel or chrome. Think about using it in lacquered spaces, even high gloss paint treatments in rooms, and mirrored surfaces. You know, antique mirrored backsplashes are timeless, so don't shy away from this. You'll see it everywhere. Plus, you might just fall in love with it. So last year, if you embraced a lot of earthy tones, even in your stone choices, you'll notice that if you pair them with these high gloss elements, they really create that point of friction that makes every space feel more interesting. And since this year is all about embracing your bold side, you can decorate with confidence in your furniture as well. Forget about all the symmetry where everything feels balanced. Embrace shape, even if inorganic. Think more round shapes and more expressive. We don't necessarily need more minimalism this year. We really want to create spaces that feel lived in and express your personality. It's not about creating a house that looks like a catalog. It's about creating spaces that feel like you. What are some ways you can embrace how artistry can be brought into the furniture in your home? Think about ways you can bring in furniture accents that have a sense of playful sophistication. Can you say animal print, anyone? And this doesn't have to just be throw pillows. Consider reupholstering a chair. Or how about the perfect animal print rug, but in a neutral color pattern so it doesn't compete in your space? You can even think about putting a bench or a small love seat in the hallway or your bedroom that has that perfect pop of bold color from this year's palettes or an unexpected fabric. Whatever it is, bring in elements of your personality so your home feels uniquely styled for you. So give yourself permission to be bold this year. Find that one little area that's small enough to express yourself with some really bold design decisions, but you don't have to worry that it's so big that it feels like a themed space that you're tired of in one year. And go wild. Whether it's pairing some traditional elements of craftsmanship in your home with unexpected irregular shapes and furniture accents this year, or further embracing that minimalistic trend from 2025 by adding in pops of sculptural lighting to make everyone stop and take interest. Find that zone that really allows you to express yourself and refresh your space this year. Whether it's a big project or a small space, pick that one area where you feel confident to flex those design muscles and not be afraid to shy away from any of these bold design trends, whether it's the colors, materials, or even shapes. I know I can't wait to make my space feel more bold this year. I like to have a little bit of whimsy in every room. What are some ideas you're thinking about introducing this year? Are you looking to create some moody rooms in your house with some of these rich colors for 2026? Or do you just want to get totally weird in one room? Drop down in the comments below and let me know. We'd love to hear what you're working on this year. And if you feel like you're stuck between that cozy, calm feeling of last year and really struggling on how you want to embrace bold design this year, check our blog where we give even more tips about how to embrace 2026 design trends. And if you ever want to chat to see how we can help even more, check out the link in our description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Till next time, bye!